In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a company record in HubSpot CRM. It's a straightforward process that should take about 5 minutes of your time, perfect for when you need to manage your business contacts efficiently. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in hubspot.com in the address bar, then hitting enter. Once the homepage loads, you'll look for the login button. It's usually prominently placed on the top right corner of the website. Click on that and you'll be guided to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you're using HubSpot for the first time, make sure to have your login details ready. Otherwise, if you're already logged in through another tab, you may just need to switch tabs. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the HubSpot home dashboard. From here, you'll see various options designed to optimize your interaction with customers and manage prospects effectively. Among these, you'll want to locate the Companies tab. It's typically housed under the main navigation menu. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on Companies. Now you'll be directed to the Companies page, which will list all the companies currently in your CRM. To add a new company, look for the Create Company button. It might be visualized as a plus sign or labeled explicitly as Create Company. Click on that and you will see a form where you're required to fill in the details for the new company record you want to create. When filling out the company details form, you'll typically provide information such as the company name, domain, address, and any relevant notes that might help in managing the relationship with this company. Spend a bit of time here to ensure the information is accurate and comprehensive. This part is crucial because it makes future searches and customer relationships management more efficient. If you're unsure about any field, hover over it for more details or check HubSpot's official documentation for guidance. Once you've entered all the necessary information, you'll find the option to save this new company record. This is the Create button you'll see at the bottom of the form. Click on it to finalize the creation of the company record. As soon as you do, HubSpot CRM will save this information and the company will instantly appear in your company records list. And there you have it, a newly created company record in your HubSpot CRM system. Remember, staying organized and ensuring your records are up to date will enhance your productivity and customer relationship management. Thanks for joining, and don't hesitate to refer back to this video whenever you need a refresher on the process.